All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom grill set that we just had done for a customer. This is gold plated over 925 sterling silver. It is a 10 top, 10 bottom. And these are the perm cuts. You can see the lines in between each tooth there, which gives it that nice definition, guys. Look at that. Beautiful permanent cuts teeth grill set. Now this is a 10 on 10, but you can do your own combination. You can do a 6 on 6, 8 on 8, or just a top or a bottom. That's up to you. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Permanent cuts, custom grills, guys. Handmade for a perfect fit. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.